Greetings to everyone and welcome to our healthy kitchen with Yaroslav Shvets, and we will do some simple salads. We need a lot of fibers, we need a lot of ferments and vitamins. We can make like really easy green salad, like a cucumber, tomato, some greens, whatever. But we'll do even more simple salad. What about cabbage? Just a cabbage salad. So basically you can use a big knife, small one. You can use a shredder for make it even on a smaller pieces. Yeah. So let's get started. So basically, I don't know, the cabbage, I don't know, you can eat it literally every day. You can raw, you can cook, whatever. It's millions of recipes. So I will do just a little bit, just one time. Sometimes I do quite a lot, like for the big bowl, and eat it for a couple of days. So you can store it in the fridge, I don't know, for a few days, I guess. But if you add some tomato or something, it will get rotten more quicker. Yeah. Additionally, you can add some vinegar, sunflower oil, or any other natural oil what you have. Then we have some olive oil, also it's natural sea salt and Himalaya pink salt. Okay, so you can chop it in as smaller pieces as possible. And also go inside. So basically salad you can do, I don't know, if you'll go super quick in 3 minutes. But let's say without rush, you do something else, spend 5 minutes. And I want to add the carrots. So basically if you add sauce to it, you can eat only the cabbage. Okay, let's put timer on and see how much time it will take. Yeah, to do everything manually is quite good. Also you can pump up during you do the salad. So let's say carrot, it's 10% of all mass. So that's it. Really optional. I want to add some onion because I like onion. Garlic, who don't like garlic, you can add the dried garlic powder, so it's have less smell. Additionally, you can add some sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. It's really optional. I want to add some sesame seeds to it, and black pepper, white pepper, olive oil, a little bit. So basically if your oil's 10-15% in your dietary, it's quite good. I try to keep it about 20. Keto diet, they grow into 30. I count my diet, I have about 20 and feels fine. You can use a juice of green apple, or it can be lemon, can be lime. Make it a bit sour. We make it both. Yeah, onion, garlic powder. So let's say on huge plate, I think you need half of lemon, but not make it too sour as well. Actually it's ready to eat already, or you can squeeze it for make it more juicy, and you can leave it in the fridge for, I don't know, let's say 1 hour, so it's everything will absorb all the oil and juice and became more tasty. So basically you eat it fresh, and on the next day it will taste completely different. Really simple, really beautiful, something what you spend about 2 minutes, let's say, and salad is ready. And if you have other vegetables, you can make some easy manipulation. You can add different kinds of greens, you can add different kind of spices, you can add some other vegetables, different kind of vinegar, and always it will have like kind of different flavor. Alright, so thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and see you tomorrow. We will cook something else And yeah, see you on the training as well. We work out every day too. See you soon.